exploring the healing hands of osteopathic physicians beyond the adjustments of a chiropractor. Are you familiar with osteopathic adjustments? Often overshadowed by chiropractic care, osteopathic adjustments offer a unique approach to healing and restoring balance to the body. Today, we invite you to explore the wonders of osteopathy. Unlike chiropractic adjustments, which primarily focus on the spine, osteopathic adjustments take a holistic approach. Osteopaths believe that the body is a unified whole, where all systems work together. By using their hands as tools, osteopaths utilize various techniques to address not only the spine, but also the muscles, joints, and organs. Watch closely as an osteopath performs an adjustment on a patient's neck. With skillful precision, their hands gently guide the bones and tissues into their natural position, easing tension and promoting better alignment. But osteopathy doesn't stop at just adjustments. Osteopaths also utilize soft tissue techniques such as myofascial release and craniosacral therapy to enhance the body's self-healing abilities. Now, let's meet some patients who have experienced the transformative power of osteopathic adjustments. They range from athletes recovering from injuries to individuals seeking relief from chronic pain. Just as our patients have discovered, osteopathic adjustments offer a refreshing perspective on healing. Whether you're seeking relief from pain, enhancing athletic performance, or simply maintaining optimal health, exploring osteopathic care can revolutionize your well-being. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. Subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content on holistic healthcare.